Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm gonna answer one of your questions, frequently asked question: is the DV Visa Lottery 2022 on? Coming up. Alright guys, so before I dive deeper, I do want to ask you to subscribe, especially if you're new to my channel. Welcome. Hit that bell notification button so you are notified every time I release new content, and also check out my Instagram for daily updates. So guys, let's talk about DV Lottery 2022. Is it on? Is it cancelled? What's going on? So DV Visa Lottery 2022 is on, is happening. In fact, it's going to happen within the next 5 weeks, I would say. The date will be issued soon. Usually the government releases the dates around mid-September and so on, so I will definitely update you as soon as I know. Therefore, you want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you are getting these updates. Now, usually the DV Lottery is open from first week of October till first week of November every single year, and you can only apply for DV Lottery during this period, which is important to know because there's so many of you guys who are actually victims of these scammers. And in fact, I made a video already where I talk about how to avoid scam. So I'm gonna link the video for you so you can go back and check it out, because every time you land on any kind of website that is asking you to pay, guess what? Scam. So you don't want to pay anybody. In fact, I was doing my research and I found certain people who are charging a lot of money for DV Visa Lottery. Well, let me tell you the truth, guys. You don't need to pay anybody. You don't need to have a lawyer. You don't need anybody to help you with DV Visa Lottery entry. It's very simple entry. I have a bunch of different videos, instructional videos that are going to help you if you need. I'm going to link them for you so you can find them. But also, on top of that, I have like a very simple, super affordable mini training that is going to help you to file properly DV Visa Lottery if you need assistance. I will never invest more than $50 when it comes to DV Visa Lottery service. And again, I'm talking about like a mini training or assistance. Not even that, like you don't need lawyer. People think that, when they hire a lawyer, they have higher chances to win. Well, not necessarily, and I'm just being really honest here with you. There are many people who are making money and they are monetizing the fact that there are so many people who want to win the DV Lottery and they don't know how to properly file the DV Lottery, how to entry properly into this DV Lottery. And therefore, I want you to know and to be aware of these scammers. In fact, there are people who are talking about how they help hundreds of thousands of people to get the DV Lottery. These people have no impact. So whoever is helping you cannot really increase your chances to win, except if they help you to file properly. So if you make a mistake, then obviously that mistake might impact your chances to win. But this can be either the clerical error or you maybe write your name with error and so on. So you guys want to really understand that it's that simple, but at the same time, we do make mistakes. So if you need somebody to go over your application, you can pay small fee. I would prefer if it's a legal professional, obviously. But if it's some scammer who is claiming to be a government of the United States, please be aware. So every time you find a website that is asking you to pay, scam. Every time you come across a professional who is claiming that he has helped thousands of people to immigrate to the United States through DV Lottery, scam. Every time you find somebody claiming that they can help you increase chances to win, scam. So the only time when you can, and I would suggest you want to, like I already said, you need help, double check your application, you can certainly do that. Obviously, you might want to pay. If it's small fee, that's fine. But don't go crazy, all right? So just so you understand that. Also, every time you find a website that is asking you to submit the entry outside of the period, which is the first week of October and first week of November, scam. The only time you can submit the entry for DV Visa Lottery 2022, Green Card Lottery 2022, is from the period usually first week of October and it's gonna end first week of November. So if it's outside of this period, if it's in May, if it's in January, scam. That's how you know it's scam. All right, so keep that in mind. Very important. Now, I also want to mention that many of you are asking me what countries are eligible, when are the application dates. Like I said, I will be making more videos on this topic, so I will be giving you updates. So you definitely want to subscribe, stay tuned. Also, another thing I want to say is the recent lawsuit, DV lottery lawsuit, you probably heard of. There was this lawsuit going on because people who won a green card lottery 2020, so they were selected in DV lottery 2020, which was 2 years ago, they could not immigrate to United States right now because of the immigration ban and the proclamation. Guess what? The judge issued preliminary injunction stopping this ridiculousness. In other words, issuing order to issue the visas for these plaintiffs, people who were selected, and now they can move forward and they can get their immigration visas and actually immigrate to the United States. So all this is happening now. These are recent great news you probably heard of. But regardless of that lawsuit, the DV Visa Lottery 2022 is on, and like I said, I will be definitely updating you on what's coming, how you apply, and so on, all these questions, because you really don't want to become a victim of this fraud of many different people who are trying to monetize and make money out of people who are just ordinary people who has maybe no time or ability to understand the requirements. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know what you guys think. Like I promised, I am linking the video how to avoid the scam for you here so you can find it. I'm also gonna link the other video that might be useful on DV Visa Lottery, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you do like this video, please like it and share it with people who might need this information. I bet there are many people who need this information, so please do give me a favor, share this video, yeah, stay tuned for next videos. Have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye.